Hi. Now today we are going to see how we can be able to create take for example a triangular pattern like this. So usually we will be having an array, right? So depending upon that, we will be creating our own normal array. So take for example, here we will be having index I and j. So depending upon that, how we are going to create an array. So that we are going to take into consideration. So take for example, in this case, we have two types of elements, right? So this is like I and J, same, in the same manner that we were actually creating. So depending upon this, so all these values will be taken into consideration. Here, we are going to take an important condition. So take for example, I. So the value of j should be less than or equal to I. So this we need to take into consideration. Let's generate the for loop for this and try to understand. Okay, for I is equal to 0, we know that like I is less than n and I plus plus. So this is what we will be creating. And apart from that, for j loop, for what we will be doing is j is equal to 0 and j is less than or equal to I. So we are going to create a condition like this. So this can be able to fulfill our condition. So this is what we are going to do right now. Okay. So let's see what happens in this case. Okay. So let's create the like triangular pattern right now. Let's see what will happen. As first we will be defining two variables, right? So we will be doing that. And apart from that, we will be creating the scanner. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? So we will be creating that. And we will be also doing like integer n is equal to in dot next int. So through which we will be creating a new number. So number of stars of number of triangles of rows and columns that has to be created. That's it. So apart from that, we are going to create like for I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. We are going to create this and we will be also creating a j loop as well. J is equal to 0 as of our condition. So what we will be doing, and we can also test this. So what will happen as so we are just printing system dot out dot print. Okay. So what we are going to print, so star plus so star in a space is enough. Okay, we can continuously do it. Not a problem. So system dot out dot println. That's it. So we can print like this. That's it. Our program has been completed and let's run and see what will be the output. Let's give output 5. So yeah, this is the output that we will be getting. We know that. So in general, take for example, if we have 5 elements, so this can be printed like with a star and space, 0 to 5 elements. Here, how much number of loops will be taking places for 0? 0 is less than or equal to 0, right? So that's how first time it will be getting printed. And apart from that, so for second time and all, let's let's print and see what will happen. Okay, so like let's print I and j itself. Okay, so plus j plus. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Let's run and see. Oh, oh, okay, I got it. So I have just directly added it. Yeah, let's check the output now. 5. I'm giving the input. Yeah, let's see here. As far as our condition, so take for example, if you have I, so which is like 0 to 0, that's how each and every time our pattern will be getting printed.